All right, what's happening here is I'm now using this BBC microbit with a new extension. This LED bulb is only connected to ground and pin number 8. And pin number 8 allows us to change the intensity of the light. I'm going to change that right now from 60 to 20. It'll get dimmer now when I press the A button. It got dimmer. The microbit is also reading the light intensity in the room based on a sensor, so I can cover the sensor somewhat with my hand, and it gives a lower reading, 17.6 instead of 66.3. So we've got several things happening. If I press the A or B button on the microbit, it sends a Bluetooth signal to move the sprite. It also alters the intensity of the light on the LED depending on what percent I put right here. Let me enlarge that a little bit so you can see it better. And then if I press button A, it turns the LED light off and clears the screen. We're using microbit more extension in Scratch. Microbit more. And these blocks are expanded to many beyond what's available in normal microbit extension for Scratch. The normal microbit extension for Scratch does not have, that's this one, no, sorry. That is, anyway, it's a different extension that's included. This one, it only has access to 3 pins. This one that we're using has many, many functions. This is where I found it. I'll put a link to microbit mbit more for version 2. I've not been able to get this to work with version 1. I believe there is a version 1 extension, but this microbit is version 2. Here's what the version 1 looks like. It does not have notches in the edge connector. This one has version 2, you'll know, because it has notches in the edge connector. Here is an example of the more extension being used on YouTube, and it just shows that this gentleman is able to use his breadboard and a ultrasonic sensor. They've got several videos on this channel, YENGAWA Lab, and it's from Japan, and he is using the more extension. So we're going to continue investigating this. I can't believe how many different options there are using this more extension to do breadboarding. And this is just the simplest, activating a pin to light up a light bulb. And we can adjust the intensity because it's an analog. It's designated as an analog pin as opposed to a digital pin, which would just be on or off. The analog is a percent. So there will be more about all this.